That process of you trying to confirm what you got from advocate, from Sergeant Mukhula, what did you call that process?
No, it's investigation, my lord. Remember, my lord, I said first I'm giving a report by Sergeant Mukhula that says this person is making some form of admissions. I don't get the details. I was not given details to Sergeant Mukhula. And I didn't want to pry also myself to say, what did he tell you? Because I took into account her rank, that it will be inadmissible. So I was not given the details as to what form of admissions or sort of admissions is this individual saying, except to say, because you guys are saying are going to Phosphorus on investigation with the same accused, please let us meet at Phosphorus police station so that I can, as part of the investigation, engage this individual, this suspect. And that is why now I started with the issues of the rights. In that process, my lord, trying to establish that he understands his rights, that he was in his sober and clear senses. Then when I was satisfied, then I placed the question that I have a reason to believe that he was involved in this matter. So that is how it unfolded. I could not have anticipated that this discussion will lead to a formal interview officer. I don't know. I didn't know what he was going to say, my lord, after giving him the rights. But I can concede and agree that there was an engagement with him.
Now, with that in mind, you go and talk to him. That forms part of the broader investigation, of course. But you speaking to him, what did you call that?
Well, my lord, if counsel wants to call it interview, what I'm saying, my lord, is that because I understood, and I'm trying to move from the direction of what counsel is saying, I understand him to be referring to an interview in terms of formalities. But I
Sorry, is it the question of a language?
Yes.
It could be a discussion.
Yes.
It could be a consultation.
Indeed, my lord.
It could be an interview.
Yes.
It could be a talk.
Indeed, my lord.
But you don't want to use the word interview.
Interview, yes. That's the word I'm shying away from, my lord.
Thank you, Brigadier. There was a piece of a document yesterday that you handed in, which is your diary, and then you said that's where you inscribed everything, most of the things, or a summary of the things that happened. So do you still have that diary of yours?
Yeah, I do, my lord.
Yes. Wait. I'm talking about the diary, Brigadier Gininda. Let's get to the diary. Open the date of the 30th of May, Saturday, 2020, 30 May, Saturday, Saturday 2020. And don't talk up until we have opened that. I'll guide you what to do when I just open that date.
All right, I'm on the 30th May.
Yeah, 30 May. At 13 hours, go there. There are time frames there. Let me just put on my spectacles. Because this handwriting, I think it can only be read by the person who wrote here. At 13 hours. Are you on 13 hours on the diary?
Yes, I'm here, my lord.
Read what is written there.
It said I went to interview the suspect at Phosphorus around 1900 hours.
Thank you. And that comes from you, not so?
No, but which part now? What is written here? Because
who wrote here, Brigadier?
But it is me. But
thank you. And
no, my lord,
if it is you, Brigadier, don't argue with me. If it is you who wrote this, who then does this come from?
Yeah, but you're misreading the diary.
I'm not concerned about the time. I'm concerned about the word that you yourself used. Unprofessional. You write there.
My lord, I said I understand.
But I'm still talking, Brigadier. I'm still talking, Brigadier. If you want to talk, I'll give you the rostrum and then I will keep quiet. When you finish, then I will attend to you.
Ngithi ke ngiyabuza kulobo ongikhombisa kona ukuthi lana ngibhale ukuthi ngahamba ngayokwenza ke inhlolo khona naye umsolwa ephosphorus isikhathi ke kwaku7 ntambama.
So this is what you did. with accused number one. You went to interview him.
I may have used the term interview as it's written here, my lord, but as I said, and the court has explained that it's a question of words, my lord. I do concede that I spoke to him, I engaged with him, and the reason, as I've said, I've shied away from the word interview is because I'm understanding counsel, my lord, and it's really coming from how I'm understanding counsel using the word interview. He uses the word interview as a formal interview in terms of the statement that he referred me to. And that's what creates the problem. But there's no denial that there was a discussion or an engagement between me and accused number one.